What's happening? This your man Chris Watts. You know who I am, baby. Your big brother from another mother. Off top, we give God the glory. You know I gotta recognize my beautiful queen Allie and my three future queens, Antoinette, Annalise, and Alexia. For today's Now I Never Message, real quick, man, I want to share with you a particular clip about the movie The Karate Kid. You remember how Daniel LaRusso moved to a new town? He started getting bullied by the kids. He got tired of getting bullied, so he went to Mr. Miyagi to learn karate, right? And starting off, Mr. Miyagi did not teach him karate. He started having Daniel LaRusso perform different chores, different cleaning activities. You know the famous one, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, hey, wax on, right? So eventually, Daniel's son got mad because he thought he wasn't learning nothing during them low times. He thought he wasn't learning nothing while cleaning and performing the chores. So he went to Mr. Miyagi all mad, right? All mad and agitated and irascible. He said, Mr. Miyagi, I ain't learning nothing. I'm just doing your stupid chores. What are you teaching me? So Mr. Miyagi made Daniel LaRusso face him face to face and told Daniel LaRusso, now the same thing you was doing while performing the wax on and the wax off, I want you to perform that same movement right now. So Mr. Miyagi began to punch at Daniel LaRusso, and as he punched Daniel's son, the same movement that he performed while doing wax on, wax off was the same movement that is now blocking the punch. And all along, he didn't see it, but he was learning karate all along. What am I telling you? Some of you are mad, choleric, irascible, and you don't understand why God is having you to do certain things or go through certain moments in life. But it's during these certain times right now that is preparing you for your next level. It is preparing you for your greater. What you're learning right now in your process is preparing you for when your time comes. Because what you're learning right now, in the low times, you're going to have to implement it in order to seize your big moment. If it wasn't for these low times, some of you would have never developed the tenacity that is within you, the work ethic, the grind, the faith in God, the faith in yourself. But now you have been developed during the low times. You're now able to not only seize your big moment, but you're now able to make your big moment last forever with continual momentum. You may not understand why God is having you go through certain things in life, but it's what you're learning right now that is going to require you to implement when your time for greater comes, all right? This your man, Chris Watts. You know, we say this isn't the beginning. This is forever. Together, there's now another dream big, work hard, and live easy. Peace.